What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is just going to be a quick hit. This is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh yeah. I didn't want the Pro. I wanted Maximum Pro. And I just picked up, this is the official iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case with MagSafe, which we are going to test here. And I thought I would try this out because I have been using the Apple silicone case for a while. I guess maybe you just pull it out. There we go. And the silicone case was nice, but after a year, it has kind of worn itself out. And so I wanted to try something new and maybe do a little upgrade. You know, I thought I deserve it. Treat myself a little bit. And this is the black case. It's kind of very nice. You can see here that they deboss the Apple logo in there. Kind of that nice leather texture. You can see a molded in button. That seems to be plastic right there. Plastic right there for the volume rockers, cut out there, cut out for the charging cable and speaker microphone, and then even the camera lens area has a little bit of a higher ridge. And then what we have is, I'm assuming, like a microfiber. It's kind of a suede-like finish inside. You can see the little cutout ring there for the MagSafe, but again, official Apple. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on. Slides on there, even though mine is blue. I think it goes well with the black. Pretty nice looking, just like me. Feels good in the hand. It's maybe just a little bit slick. I probably wouldn't mind something with a little bit grippier texture, but it's kind of what you'd expect from leather, you know, like a leather padfolio or wallet. No better, no worse, but feels nice. All right, so here is my MagSafe charger. It's not plugged in or anything, but I just want to see if this will work and stick to it if I put it on there. Boom, just like that. Stays on there, and then pull it off just like that. So, MagSafe works through the case, as promised by Apple. Works. So, pretty cool. Pretty nice case. I would say this is probably one of the more expensive leather cases you can buy for the iPhone, but you know it's going to be completely compatible with MagSafe and be of really nice quality. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.